My living situation before I had all the installations done and the home improvements, it was quite bad and it needed complete reconstruction and everything. No central heating. The kitchen was absolutely freezing. An old bathroom, and everything was just really in bad shape. As I say, I'd never had central heating before. I only had the old wall heaters, the ones that take energy overnight, and they were so cold in the afternoon. But now it's all cosy and warm. I've had a heat pump installed, and I've had a radiator in each room to make it all nice and cosy for once. So I'm really pleased with that. New shower and toilet and everything, that's good. It's all levelled off and it's lovely. Unfortunately or fortunately, I broke my arm, so I had to move out anyway. So I left them to it. I'm just pleased with everything. Everything's gone so well, and the workers were so nice as well. Watched out for me as well when being blind, so that was good. And they sort of kept everything out of my way and made sure I didn't trip up anything, any hazards. So I was really pleased with everything. Go ahead if you can, because if you get, grants towards it, it's lovely.